recording it. Good morning, everyone. We're having another semantics class, and today's class, is a very easy one. You will like it. It's about definition, and we're going to go over 4 different types of definition, and that will be it. So super easy. Okay. So I'm going to start sharing my screen with you. This is Unit 3, Lesson 2, definition. Let me know when you can see it.
We can see it now.
Very good. So, Lesson 2, definition. Okay, this is this page 34 in my manual, but you know I have different pages for manual. Okay, basically what it says is that normally when we are asked for something, for a definition of something, we say, for example, what is a tree? What is a tree? And we say, a tree is, for example, a cactus or a pine, something like that. But we do not define it. We just say, for example, what is a school supply? A school supply is, for example, a pencil, an eraser, a ruler, etc. But we do not give the definition. So we, us as students of semantics, we need to be able to provide proper definition. Okay. So in order to do that, we're going to play a game today. Yes, we're going to play a game. That will be fun. So I need to stop sharing my screen, and I'm going to send Carla. Where is Carla? I'm going to send Carla a message. Here. Private. Okay. Okay, Carla, can you give a definition of that? Carla, hello. You need to tell me if you are here or not. If you cannot use your microphone, you need to write it down. No answer. So are you here, Carla? Or did you just connect and went to, I don't know, cook noodles?
Mister, she's
Yes.
writing you. She's writing you on the chat.
On the chat, I can. Here. Yes. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Blah 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 blah. Yeah. Okay. So, but she didn't write anything yet, right? She just wrote yes. I can use your memory. No problem, Carla. Write it down on the chat. What is it? I get bored easily. Come on, Carla, you can do it. Write it down. Right. Carla. Okay, super. What do you think it is? Come on, say it. Say it.
A cable.
A cable. Is it a cable, Carla? Oh, you would. Okay, first we need to check the syntax. Wood means forest. Okay, so pieces of wood. That's what you mean, Carla. Okay, go ahead. To connect pieces of wood together, what do you use?
Glue.
Glue. Okay, Carla, is glue the correct answer? Nope. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, Carla, you need to give more details then. It is used to put two things together, like wood, pieces of wood. Okay, what else? No, it's not glue. It is made of metal. Oh, that's a good one. It is made of metal. What is it then? It's not glue. You put pieces of wood together. It's made of metal. What?
Alambre.
Oh, piece of wire. Not really. No, it's not a piece of wire. Like around the piece of wood, it's made of metal. Have it has it has different sizes. So small, big, big, small. Club, nails. Okay, nails. Yeah, is it nails? Nails are made of metal and they put pieces of wood together. Very good, Liliana. You're the winner, Liliana. Excellent. It's a screw. Super. Excellent. Very good. Notice that Carla did not provide a definition of string. Yes, but strings are not made of metal normally, Alejandro. Okay. But you mean a rope. Yes, a rope. That would be better, I think. Okay, listen. Yes, you were close, Shirley. Notice that what Carla said was she provided the function of the screw. Okay, she didn't say what a screw was. She didn't say that it was an object. Well, she did say it. She said it was an object and it was made of metal and it has different sizes. That is one type of definition. Okay, a descriptive definition. A descriptive definition is the one that you might find in a dictionary, which describes what the object is or what the concept is. Yes, yes, Alejandro, using ropes to craft a raft. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so when you say it is an object that is made of metal and there are different sizes, then you are describing the object and it's a descriptive definition. A descriptive definition is one type of definition that you will find in a dictionary. Okay. She also used, she also mentioned the function of the screw. She said, it is used to put two pieces of wood together. Okay. For example, she said, so whenever you mention the function of the object, then you are providing a normative definition. It's not descriptive anymore, it's normative. Why? Why normative? Because it's telling you what to do with it. Okay? I can use a screw to scratch my face, for example. And I can use a screw with some ink to write, for example. Yes, I can use that. I can do that. But normally the screws are used to put things together. Yes. So that's what the normative definition does. A normative definition gives you the ideal function of the object. So there are two kinds of definitions then so far. Descriptive one, the one that you will find in the dictionary with lots of adjectives describing it, and normative, whenever you tell the function of the object, what it is used for it, normal. Okay? So two, there are two types, but there are two more. So we're going to cover these two more. Okay. In whenever I say your textbook, what do I mean? Can you write it on the chat if you don't have a microphone? I say your textbook. You will find the information in your textbook. What do I mean by textbook? What specific textbook do I mean? Are you here?
Excuse me, mister. What was your question?
When I say textbook, you will find the information in your textbook. When I say textbook, what do I mean?
The
No.
book that you...
Yes, that's Christina. Christina, you are right. An introduction to language. That's what I always mean. No, I don't mean the manual. I mean the textbook because I usually use two different terms, the manual and your textbook. And when I say textbook, I mean an introduction to language. Does it sound familiar to you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so notice that what if I am not Mr. Christoffel and I am, I don't know, Professor Karen? I am Professor Karen. If Professor Karen says textbook, does she mean an introduction to language?
No.
No,
I
she doesn't.
mean,
So that means that whenever I use the word textbook, it's specifically for this class, for this semantics class or linguistics class. So whenever I provide a definition that is used specifically for one purpose, I am providing a stipulative definition. And let me write the word stipulative because it's kind of stipulative, like this. Again, stipulative is not a general definition, it's a specific one. It's like an exception to the rule, let's say. It's a very concrete, specific definition. Okay. Uh, let's suppose we're studying chemistry here. This is the chemistry class. And when I say, for example, boiling point, normally, boiling point means 100 degrees when the water boils, right? Boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. But in my class, and here is what I'm making the exception, in my class, whenever I say boiling point, I will mean 79 degrees Celsius. So remember, every time I say boiling point, it will mean 79, not 100. This is a stipulative definition because I am, from the general meaning, I am making an exception and everyone understands the exception. That is called stipulative definition. Clear? So should I provide more examples?
can you provide one more example,
Yes.
please?
Yes. Let's suppose this is the mathematics class. This is the mathematics class. And I say Yes, whenever I say subtraction, I will not mean to take out. I will mean to find the square root. So let's make an exception then. Whenever I say subtraction, everyone will understand that it's to take out. But in my class, as an exception, whenever I say subtraction, I will mean finding the square root. Okay? I am making an exception from the general meaning into a one particular meaning used for this particular occasion. That is stipulative. Okay?
Thank you, mister.
Now, very good. Now, Shirley, are you here, Shirley? Box F. Shirley Jara, present. Shirley, talk to me. You are here. Okay, very good. Shirley, I would like you to provide a definition of stop now. Can you write a definition of stop? I want to know what you write. Uh, what, Surma? The stipulative one? Yes. A national company in charge of supplying water to the national territory. Wow. Very, very objective is the right word. Okay. It's company. Yes, it is a company. Okay. Now I want you to write the definition, but with your opinion of the company, Shirley. Add your opinion now. Let me see Turma first. So only one person can have a version of the meaning. Yes, yes. In stipulative definition, yes, yes. I mean, it should be an agreed upon definition. Yes. Okay, Shirley, a national company in charge of supplying water to national territory, but does not do so. It's okay, Turma. Very good. So notice that what Shirley did, and I totally agree with Shirley, uh, she 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 didn't lie. She wrote her opinion. It it's not objective anymore. It's more subjective, let's say. But what the thing is that she mentioned a fact. It doesn't work. They don't do it. Okay, but notice that whenever you provide your opinion is usually in favor or against something. Normally it's like that, in favor, against. If I tell you define marito, for example, you will have to in favor or against something. Yeah. So whenever the definition is not objective anymore, it's subjective, then probably your choice of words will be kind of strong because you have strong feelings, either positive or negative. So, and whenever there are strong feelings involved, then it's contagious. Some people might feel the same as you do. So, we call that type of definition, which is subjective and which has strong adjectives, let's say, and that people are influenced by them, we call them persuasive. So, persuasive definition. We have four types then. Let me write it down. One, descriptive. The one that we find in a dictionary with lots of adjectives. The second one, normative. The one that describes the ideal use, ideal function. The third one, stipulative, an exception to the rule. And the fourth one, persuasive, subjective, and biased. Yes, either favor or against, like that, bias. Okay. So we can see then that there are four different types of definition, and our task as students of semantics is to distinguish these four types. Whenever someone is talking, for example, let's suppose we're watching President Trump talking, giving a speech, and then he defines something. We need to be able to say which type of definition he is providing. Is it stipulative? Is it normative? Is it descriptive? Is it persuasive? The persuasive one is usually funny because people are very creative with selecting the words that they want to use in order to define things. Yes. What if I ask you to define what the IRP is? IRP or EVA, the EVA tax is, or I don't know, the garbage system in Paraguay, or the potholes, or Ande. Okay, you will come up with certain words, yes, and those will be very persuasive. Okay, let me share with you my screen again. So you need to go over the manual. Yeah, it's lesson 2, definition, unit 3. It explains very clearly how certain words can be defined. Okay, and they can be seen from different points of view as well. Okay, so it's a very interesting piece of article. And then after that, it shows the different kinds of definition, the descriptive ones, the stipulative.
Mr. Alejandro is asking you something on the chat. I will read it. It says, might we say that persuasive is what we usually say? Es lo que quiere escuchar nomás.
Not necessarily, but yes, notice that it is super subjective, so it could be anything. Yeah, not necessarily lo que quiere escuchar nomás, but it could be. It's subjective. It could be anything. We have normative definition and we have persuasive definition. Those are the ones. Then you have homework. The homework that provides a Spanish example of each kind of definition. Okay. So you're going to come up with a Spanish word. Let's suppose perro. Perro is the word. And then you define it in English. It's a four-legged animal that has a tail that wags when he's happy. Okay, if you say that, you need to say, this is an example of a descriptive definition. It is descriptive because it describes the dog. It does not tell you how the dog must behave. If you want, you can use the same word for the four different definitions. Example again. Perro. Perro is the man's best friend. That would be a persuasive definition. Man's best friend. Yes, it's a pictorially persuasive. Yes, it's in favor of dogs. Okay. Another one, perro, is is the guardian of the house. Guardian of the house. Okay. This is the function. This is a normative definition of perro. Yes. I have a dog and he's not necessarily a guardian. No, 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 no. He's actually afraid of thieves. Okay. And the stipulative one, what can we say? Okay. When I say dog, I refer specifically to a poodle. You know what a poodle is? A poodle is a type of dog that is white and is full of curly hair. Okay. Yes, Cristina, excellent. Yes. So, tu altavoz no funciona. Okay, you can hear me. Those, if you want, you can use the same word for all types of definition. If you don't worry, you can use different words, no problem. Okay. And you need to watch a video too. Vamos a salir con los perros. But that's a whole expression. Notice that whenever you define things, normally you define words, not full expression. Okay. But yeah, perro in that phrase means friend, and it's stipulative. Yeah, it is. It is full as that. I cannot see. De a todo. Muy de.
Alejandro, Mr. He asked.
Yes, yes, it's a stipulative definition because in that
No,
context,
not me. Alejandro.
Alejandro, sorry.
Yes.
Alejandro, in that context, perros mean friends. So if it's stipulative, we can say that. Not if you change the context and the denotation changes. That's what we learned before. So yes, we can say that. Very good. Very good. Very good. Well done. Okay, so you have reading assignment on the platform. You have homework, the Spanish definition, and you need to watch a video on definition that I posted already. About another quiz, but we still don't have the feedback from the previous one. All right. Okay, but you saw your break, right? Because about another quiz, but we still don't have. Okay. What if I record a video on quiz feedback? What do you think? Will that work for you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'll do that then. Yeah, I need to provide feedback. Yeah. Super. One new message. That will be great. Okay, super. I'll do that, definitely.
Thank you, Mr.
You don't need to be sure, okay? Yeah. All right, see you then. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, Mr.
Goodbye.
Bye, Mr.
Bye. Bye, Zulma. Bye. Bye, Alejandro.